Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use a potato peeler and what kind of the potato peeler is most suitable. So how to use it? It's very simple. You need a potato, take the peeler and do it right. And I need to tell you one very important thing. The peeler knife, it's not good to peel potatoes. This peeler is a crap too, I don't recommend it. The handle of this potato peeler is not long and expands towards the bottom. It's not comfortable. You need a potato peeler with a long handle and without this arc. She closes the review. This part covers the blade, so you can't see what you peel. About the knife, small knife is pretty comfortable, but with the peeler you can cut the potatoes more fast and thinly. So this potato peeler is one of the most suitable at all. It's my own experiences and you can choose any of the potatoes peeler you want to.